All right, this is gonna be something totally different. We are modifying a PT Cruiser, not cutting one apart, but let's get a clip of what this thing sounds like. That looks good. Back up some. Stop. Give me a rev. All right, so there's a little quick rev. That's what this thing sounds like. So we'll show you the exhaust we got to install. All right, so I mean, it's already unboxed. Just unboxed it when it came to make sure that everything was all right. Some of the pieces were sticking through the box, but this is a cheaper, I believe it's the DNA exhaust you can get off of from one of the sellers there on eBay. There really isn't that much to the PT Cruiser exhaust, but this is what it is. I mean, it would have been cool if it was 3-inch, but is it really necessary? Probably not. So basically, straight pipe all the way back through, and it has a resonator in the back. So let's take a look at the stock. Stock has a big can muffler back here. It's not up in here, and it just kind of cuts up around past the tank, similar to the SRT4. So I mean, it's basically, it is a straight pipe with a big can. So once this muffler's off of here, it's going to be a whole lot nicer. It already has a off-road downpipe installed along with a 3-inch elbow. So you heard it. This thing's going to sound a whole lot better. Sawzall did the trick. We've got the old exhaust off. Let's take a look at that now from the back. Kind of looks a little bit more fancy. All right, let's up under here. So it's fitting a whole lot nicer there on the downpipe, and it runs back through here. I just wanted to get underneath real quick. The brackets aren't too bad that come with this. So I'm gonna jump up. We're gonna start this thing up and see what it sounds like. Have at it. Woo! Check that out. Give her some jiggly, man. That's definitely an improvement. Let's check this thing out underneath the hood. Got her all fancied up. We got an overflow getting brought in, but there you go. You can see down in there. There's the downpipe and the 3-inch O2 housing. I'm sure it's going to be a little bit more fun to drive. All right, see ya.